Here we have it, the aftermath of the great blizzard of 2010. We haven't seen piles of snow like this in at least 7 years, I would think. And they say that this has now broken all records since recorded time. This is truly amazing, the quantity of snow that we have gotten here. Personally, I believe that there will be vestiges of this sitting around by April still. I've measured, and there are places where the snow is piled up to roughly 40 inches worth. So as we take a look around, I mean, you can see the pathway here and how it's piled up, creating a little tunnel for us. Our friend Minato has been here since at least around 9 this morning, and it's noon now. Did a fantastic job of clearing the driveway for us. And you can see piles and piles and piles of snow. There he is, clearing the front of the driveway from where the snowplow has piled things up. So we can compare this to yesterday's video when the storm was still raging. Yeah. Well, hopefully this is the big one for this season.